Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another one. Another pickup. Great pickup. Great day. I've been getting some L's with the SNKRS app, man, and I've been trying to figure out where am I going wrong. But of course, you take L's, win some, lose some. I took a W this time. I found a different method, and it worked. So that was cool with that. Hey, like button. Hit the like button before we go any further. Now, as I unbox this box, telling you, man, that Flex app, Footlocker, Champs, Foot Action, I'm through with it. I deleted it. I've had head starts on both raffles and struck out. I used all head starts, struck out. I don't mind losing, but I have a problem when I'm spending money to get more points and use those points and lose and don't get the points back. At that point, you just trying to make me spend money to spend money. You see what I'm saying? And it's pointless. So I deleted all three of those apps today. I struck out on all three apps again. Before that, I used to hit at least at one store because I used to spend a lot of money. I spent $11,000 at Champs in 1 year, and that's just from my personal shit, me copping for my son and helping friends out. 11 grand. And now I just can't get nothing, but I'm still spending money with y'all. That don't work like that for me. I'm sorry, that don't fly. So that's done with that. Deleted those apps. Moving forward, shout out to the SNKRS app. They finally let me get a W. You can see the nice box. Nike LD Waffle Sacai. Yes, sir. Which color did I get? Hold on, let's do a thumbnail. Let me get the thumbnail. All right. Let me get the thumbnail popping. It's dark, so I can't do a video. UPS just dropped the shoe off, so I can't do it on foot. I could, but I'll do that tomorrow for y'all, and I'll let y'all see the on foot tomorrow. Right now, we're just gonna check out the shoe. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Check it out. These are hard. Oh. Huh? So they have two laces in them. They have like a feather, like a ribbon lace, and then another lace, and like a wax lace and a ribbon lace. I didn't know it was two laces. I know, I guess, because there's two tongues in the shoes, but I didn't know it was two laces. The ribbon laces, not really my speed. I'll see how it looks, but we'll check it out. Dope. The check leather. The other check nubuck around the toe box with the nylon. These are hard. Then at the toe box also got this leather here too. The side in this is the nylon. And I love this double sole. This double sole is just dope. It's dope. It says Nike Sacai on the inside. These are hard, man. I can't front. This is a dope pickup. Shout out to the good people at Nike and Sacai for this this dope shoe with the double tongue. I'm rocking these, man. Honestly, I've tried to get every pair of these I could, and I got these. I'm satisfied. I want other colors, but that price is just too steep. I take what I get. I do like these. I will be rocking these straight to feet because that's how I do it. Just a quick vid, man. I got some things to do. I need to go do. If you like the video, hit the like button. Also subscribe to the channel. These are dope. No complaints. On feet video tomorrow. Stay tuned. Till the next release, you guys be cool.